Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Farmer Knowledge.
Hello friends, here I will be discussing a few points on why NIPER is preferred college over the others. Stick till the end of the video to watch the campus life of NIPER Mohali. NIPERs are a group of national level institutes of pharmaceutical sciences in India. The Government of India has declared the NIPERs as institutes of national importance. There are 7 NIPERs: NIPER SAS Nagar, that is NIPER Mohali, NIPER Hyderabad, NIPER Ahmedabad, NIPER Kolkata, NIPER Raebareli, NIPER Guwahati, and NIPER Hajipur. Of these, NIPER Mohali, Hyderabad, and Ahmedabad are the preferred ones. Research. NIPER is always at the forefront in research. Whenever there was a need, a scope for research, NIPER has always met the expectations. NIPER has collectively engaged in the research activities for COVID-19. This is what every student, every research enthusiast wants to be a part of. This distinguishes NIPER from other institutes. Moreover, the NIRF 2020 ranking shows 3 NIPER colleges are in top 10 pharmacy colleges and 5 in top 20. Exams and filtering. Admission into NIPER is really a tough job. One has to clear 2 exams to enter. First, he must qualify the GPAT exam, and secondly, qualify NIPER exam with good rankings. This makes the institute to include the cream layer of students. It is like the IIT but for pharmacy students. Professors. NIPER professors are well experienced and know about the current happenings and the needs of the industry. Most of them have done their postdoc from well-known foreign universities. This helps the students to be industry ready. Even if you are planning for PhD, they can guide and reference you with the best universities. Preferred by industry. As you have cleared both the exams and have studied under industry experts, you will always get an upper hand over the others and thus preferred by industries. Speaking of this, we come to packages, job packages. Packages range from 3.5 to 6 lakhs with an average of 4.5 lakh per annum for core job. While in case of consultancy job packages, the average is 6 lakhs per annum. NIPER Mohali and NIPER Hyderabad have very good placement history. Fees. NIPER offers Masters and MBA courses at the most affordable fees, which is 38,000 and 90,000 per sem respectively. These fees can be paid with the stipend you get as you are a GPAT qualified or through competitive scholarship programs. These are the points which help you choose NIPER over others. What do you think about it? Comment your views below. Hope you guys liked the video. Now here is a bonus preview of NIPER Mohali's campus life. Hope you will enjoy it.